Welcome Junior Takis. My name is Mrs. Ramla. This video is on the section skills, and this is a theory video based on the microscope. Now, working on the microscope and knowing the parts of the microscope is a skill that one learns in grade 10 and carries through to university if you want to work in a lab one day. Right, now, let's look at the parts of the microscope. Now, firstly, when we look at the parts of the microscope, we look at the part that you look through. And here it's called the ocular lens. That's the lens at which you look through. And this part here, this long part, that's the eyepiece. And the lens is there to allow you to view the specimen. Now, if you look at the eyepiece and on the lens, there's a number. So in this case, it says 10 times. That cross means times. That means that lens can also magnify the specimen 10 times and makes it 10 times bigger. Now, we are biologists. We don't look at things. We don't look at objects. You can see I'm using the word, you can hear I'm using the word specimen. All right, so that's the ocular lens with the eye on the eyepiece allows you to view the specimen. Right, then this part here is the revolving nose piece. Now, if you've ever worked with the microscope, from its name, revolving, this nose piece can actually move. And at the end of the revolving nose piece, what do you find there are the objectives? The objectives. And at the end of the objectives are the lenses. Now you have a low objective lens, medium, and high. So some microscopes, the low objective lens will magnify up to 4 times, the medium 10 times, and the high 100 times. So that is now the objective lenses. And those lenses also magnify the specimen. So together with the eyepiece lens 10 times, and let's say you have the objective lens as well, which is 4 times, that microscope with that objective lens can magnify the specimen up to 40 times. That X means times. So that is what the objective lenses allow you to do. View the specimen and magnify the specimen so that you can view the specimen. Right, this is the stage or the platform. That is where you put your slide that you make. And on the stage is a clip. And the clip is used to hold the slide in place. Then at the bottom of the stage, you have a diaphragm. The diaphragm, if you move, there's a lever. If you move that lever, it opens and closes and allows light to fall onto the stage. So the diaphragm controls the amount of light that falls on the stage. Then you have a projection lens, or sometimes there's a camera or a light. It allows light to pass onto the stage. The base, which is the bottom of the microscope, supports the microscope. Then you have your power switch, which we know you use it to turn on, and it allows light to fall onto the stage. Then the arm, that's the part where you will hold the microscope. Now, you have 2 knobs here. One is the smaller knob, which is the fine focus knob, and the bigger knob is the coarse focus knob. The coarse adjustment knob allows the stage to move closer to the objective lenses so you can view the specimen clearly. And the fine focus knob is the one that is used for the fine focusing to allow you to see the finer details of the image or the specimen. Thank you for joining me and watching this video on the microscope. Join me and watch all my other videos as well.